If you have forgotten your password for the Oxford Learning Link platform, visit learninglink.oup.com/sign-in and click the Forgot Password link below the password field. Enter the institutional email address you used to previously create your Oxford Learning Link account and click Recover Password. You will receive an email to reset your password. If you need to change your username, visit learninglink.oup.com/sign-in and log in to your existing account. Click My Account at the top of the page, then click User Profile and enter your new account information in the input fields provided and click Save Changes. You can also change your password by clicking Change Password on the My Account page. Enter your current password and your new password in the input fields provided and click Save Password. If you encounter a problem with your username or password that you are unable to fix using the above methods, please click the Contact Us button in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Fill out the contact form and click Submit. A support ticket will be opened on your behalf, and a support representative will reach out to you.